Today we are here at Old Town Tbilisi, continuing our feast of local traditional Georgian food. What we have here today is sindali. This dish is made of eggplants, tomatoes, boiled potatoes, bell peppers, cilantro, onion. It looks like a little bit of garlic. It looks to be a cold dish, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. Well, very tomatoey. Definitely kind of reminds me almost like a first bite of spaghetti. Definitely taste the cilantro. This is a dish that kind of just melts in your mouth. It's very mushy, very creamy. Get a nice crunch from the onion. And then the cilantro kind of gives you like a fresh, herbaceous fragrance in your mouth. This dish definitely reminds me of the lobiani and the lobio that I've had the past couple days, just with the use of the beans. It's kind of just a nice light dish. It's a good way to start your day off in Georgia. I fell in love with kingali, so I had to order another plate. I got an order of spinach and an order of red beans. I'm not 100% sure which one this is, but we'll give it a shot. One thing to note when you're here, you have to order a minimum of 5. Altogether, all 5 are 2 lari, so that's less than $1. So I want to make sure, I want to keep my Georgians happy and make sure I don't spill any juices. What we have here is the bean kingali, kind of very mushy, very simple kind of dish. Not a whole lot of ingredients to it. It's really just beans and flour. It gets the job done, something different. It's very thick and very rich in your mouth. The next kingali we have here is spinach. This is definitely creamy. Definitely can taste the kind of the earthiness of the spinach. Not a whole lot of seasoning to it. These kingalis are just kind of very simple, one ingredient kingali. What we have here is mushroom. This has been my favorite one that I've had this entire trip in Georgia, so let's see if I can kind of keep that streak going. Definitely juicy. The mushrooms are very tender. Kind of simple, kind of like the other kingalis. They're not as flavorful as the ones I had I think a couple nights ago. So the next dish we have here is a Georgian. And what I kind of loved about this restaurant is that it had a number of different fillings for the Georgian. So typically it's been lobio or it's been cheese and the egg, which I don't eat. But this restaurant had mushroom Georgian, had eggplant, as well as spinach. So I actually went with the mushroom. I learned yesterday that to go ahead and rip the bread and use that as your kind of scooping mechanism. It's very just hot temperature-wise, but kind of what I see here is another use of some type of herb. I'm not 100% sure what it is, and mushrooms. The bread's pretty doughy. It's got a nice little crunch to it. Definitely kind of tastes the oil that's baked into the bread. Mushrooms are very tender. Again, this is kind of just really a simple dish. Not a lot of use of herbs and spices, just really the mushrooms. And this herb, I'm not 100% sure what it is. So here things seem to be kind of very simple. Not a lot of use of herbs and spices as I've had at previous Georgian restaurants. The Airbnb now had an issue. My camera overheated in the restaurant. The food just kind of tasted really bland. Not a lot of use of herbs and spices. I know that Georgian food dishes are very simple, but it lacked a lot of spices that I've tasted in other Georgian restaurants since my time here. So it just wasn't my favorite restaurant, but still recommend trying it. It had quite a lot of different options, especially a lot of vegetarian, vegan options, but just a lot of different traditional dishes. I mean, every dish that I know from a Georgian perspective was in that restaurant. So go ahead and definitely give it a shot. want to take a free walking tour here in Tbilisi. The company is Tbilisi Hack Free Tours. I'll leave a link in the description. I think free walking tours are kind of one of the best ways to kind of get immersed in the city kind of when you first get here. Help you kind of understand the layout of the city, what are the big attractions. You can always ask the tour guide for recommendations on certain things, especially for me in regards to kind of vegan, vegetarian restaurants.
I want to cover some issues before starting tour. Tonight you will need it. You know, in Tbilisi there are lots of spring water. And this part, you know, it's shiny, it has a reason people normally sit on here for taking pictures. But in Georgia you can find lots of them.
So still on the free walking tour. This is an absolute beautiful city. I really enjoy my time in Tbilisi, getting some great facts. Walking tour is about 3 hours. If you don't know how free tours work, you go on a tour, it's free, but at the end you make a donation based on how you feel the tour was. So if it's a good tour, tip more. If it's not, don't worry about it, there's no judgment. It's a good way to meet different travelers and tourists from all over the world.
Cha is very strong, between 40 to 80% alcohol. Normally Georgian when they offer you it has 60% alcohol. Sometimes they add some fruits like apricot, I don't know, even paprika.
Cha-cha, Georgian.
Gamar juice. Gamar juice.
Gamar juice.
Upper hand, great. Woo!
Chocolate. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's like that was Chechen wine. Not too bad. Kind of strong to feel in your chest. I'm at my Airbnb now. Gonna take a rest, and I'm actually headed back to Armenia today. So, see you then.